This motor is cammed. I've never owned a car cammed. I've never heard a cam in person. And now I own one, you feel me? My first time hearing one in person is my own, you feel me? I've heard videos of cam cars like C6s, Corvettes, you feel me? Some C10s, you feel me? Some old school cars. I've heard some clips and stuff of cars being cammed with like LS motors. And some of them with small blocks, you feel me? Or big blocks. But I've never heard one in person. Like I said, I've never heard a car cammed in person. Now I don't know what stage cam this motor has. Might be a stage 2. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe a stage 3. But when the car is in drive, it sounds like it's gonna cut off, and that is so hard to me, bro. I love cars like that. So yeah, let's go ahead, do the little start up. See how long it'll take for the car to crank up. You know what I'm saying? Let me sit y'all about there. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, bro, and this is the first startup. I know I've made a few videos already on the car showing y'all the motor and everything, and have not given y'all a startup clip or a startup video showing y'all how the car sounds started up with this new built motor. I'm telling y'all, bro, this car sounds crazy, bro. It sounds so good. Now I can go ahead and tell y'all, since I'm gonna go ahead and do the startup and everything in this video, this motor is cammed. I've never owned a car cammed. I've never heard a cam in person. And now I own one, you feel me? My first time hearing one in person is my own, you feel me? I've heard videos of cam cars like C6s, Corvettes, you feel me? Some C10s, you feel me? Some old school cars. I've heard some clips and stuff of cars being cammed with like LS motors. And some of them with small blocks, you feel me? Or big blocks. But I've never heard one in person. Like I said, I've never heard a car cammed in person. Now I don't know what stage cam this motor has. Might be a stage 2. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe a stage 3. But when the car is in drive, it sounds like it's gonna cut off, and that is so hard to me, bro. I love cars like that. You feel me? When you put it in drive and they say, vroom, 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 vroom. You feel me? Like they want to cut off, and that's what this car sounds like. And like I said, when it first starts up, you gotta let it warm up, then you will start hearing the cam chopping, you feel me? My car chops, bro, and I'm telling you, I love it, bro. I love it so much. It's so hard. And this is the reason, just this cam alone is the reason why I want to build that other small block and throw it in the Cutlass, you feel me? Just this cam alone. Now this cam ain't as strong as I wish it was. I wish it was a lot a higher stage, I can say. I think a higher stage cam that make it a chop, that will make it chop a lot more, you feel me? But it chops enough, you feel me? And it sounds really, really good, like I said. And it's when the car warms up. When you first start it up, you don't hear it too well, but like I said, when you driving and you come to a stop, you just hear that car chop, and it sounds like it's gonna cut off, bro. I'm telling you, that is so hard, bro. I love it, man. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. I'm just basically gonna show it to y'all. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, then I'm gonna put it in drive and let y'all hear it chopping like a lot, bro. It chops a lot when it's in drive, you feel me? And like I said, I gotta let it warm up, because if I don't and I put it in drive, then it is gonna cut off, you know what I'm saying? But if I let it warm up, then I put it in drive, then it won't cut off, you feel me? But y'all will hear that chop in this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I hope y'all like the motor. I hope y'all like the way everything sounds. I didn't change my exhaust system on it. I left the exhaust the way it was, you feel me, with my BBK headers, they short tubes, my Super 44 Flowmaster mufflers, and I think they 4-inch exhaust tips, you feel me? I think I got 4-inch, I think. I didn't do the exhaust system when I got the car. I already had the exhaust system done, so like I said, I think they're 4-inch, it might be 5-inch, honestly, I don't know. But hit the like button, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5K, man. So 5K subscribers. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and share the channel. Do whatever you can for me. Help me out to reach that goal. Other than that, though, I will catch y'all in a second. I'm finna get out, show y'all the motor first, and we're gonna get in, start up the car, let it warm up. Then y'all gonna hear that cam chopping. So first start up, man. I hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope y'all like it. All right, y'all. So like I said, nothing exhaust wise was changed, but this is the built motor, high rise intake. Still got my other Elderbrock brand new carburetor, and yeah, we finna go ahead and do the startup. So Like I said, exhaust wise, everything is the same. Same BBK short tube headers. Super 44 Flowmaster mufflers, and then my exhaust tips look like 4-inch, maybe 5. You know what I'm saying? Nice little chrome exhaust tips. I think this is 2.5 or 3-inch pipe coming all the way back. So yeah, and then the Super 40 floor mufflers are somewhere right in here. So yeah, let's go ahead, do the little start up. See how long it'll take for the car to crank up. You know what I'm saying? Let me sit y'all about there. First try. Y'all hear it? Oh, it's trying to cut off. Oh my gosh. My car is camped. Oh man, y'all. Oh man, y'all heard it, man. Alright, now I gotta let it warm up a little bit. Oh, it's trying to cut off. Hold on. I'm trying to let it warm up a little bit. Y'all hear it? Oh my gosh, bro. Listen to that cam. Just listen to it. I'm telling y'all, this car sounds so good. Oh man. Like I said, man, I own a cam car, bro. Oh my gosh, bro, this cam, I'm telling y'all, it sounds so good. It sounds so much better when I'm driving and I come to a stop. You will really hear that cam. It be sounding like the car want to cut off, bro, I'm telling you. But that's just the cam, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm telling y'all, I love this car now. Just with this cam alone, bro, I'm telling you, I love it. The car is still pretty loud, you know what I'm saying? And this cam just makes it chop, bro. It chops, bro. It just sounds so good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. How y'all feel about it? Just listen, bro. I'm just let y'all listen. Listen, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. Listen to that chop, man. Like I said, I gotta let it warm up a little bit because I think if I put it in drive right now, it might try to cut off. But when I put it in drive, bro, y'all will really hear that cam, bro. Let me see. Yep, I thought so. But it cranks right up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I gotta let it warm up a little bit more before I try to put it in drive. But bro, listen to the cam. Like I said, honestly, I don't know what stage cam it is, you know what I'm saying? But I gotta let the car run for a little bit longer before I can put it in drive so y'all can hear it when I'm at a stop, you know what I'm saying? But man, I'm telling y'all, this car, it runs beautiful. It sounds fantastic. And that cam just chops, bro. I'm telling y'all, it sounds so good. And like I said, my exhaust is still pretty loud. The car is still pretty loud. It don't idle too high. Listen. It still got that really deep tone to it. So, yeah, man, I'm telling y'all, once we do that driving footage video, y'all will really hear that cam chopped in. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all just gotta stay tuned, bro. I'm gonna do the driving footage video very soon, sometime soon. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. But other than that, I'll catch y'all in a second. I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit, then we're gonna put it in park or drive, I mean, and then y'all be able to hear it. So stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all. So I don't know if y'all can barely hear me or not, but like I said, the car's warmed up enough now. We finna go ahead and put it in gear and let y'all hear it. So Listen to the chop, bro. Now listen, it don't sound like it's gonna cut off, but it's not. It is so hard to do, bro. Like I said, I'm in drive. I don't know why it's not showing on my dash anymore, my cluster, but I'm in drive. I'm telling y'all, bro, this cam is so hard, man. And just listen. Like I said, I don't know what stage cam it is or anything, you know what I'm saying? I don't know nothing about it. All I know is the motor is cammed, you feel me? So, yeah, man, it's so hard, bro. But I'm figuring to drive this car. I gotta put some gas in it. I don't know why my speedometer not working. I don't know why my gear changer ain't working. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why that is. But yeah, to drive the car, I gotta let it warm up for a couple minutes. That way, it don't try to shut off on me. You feel me? Which you should do that with any car, anyways. You know. But yeah, it's a little hot in here too. Sheesh. But yeah, man. Like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the vid. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the cam. You feel me? I'm going ahead and shut her off now. Yeah, man, I'm telling y'all, this car, it sounds fantastic, bro. This new motor sounds really, really good. Like I said, I don't know what all was really done to this motor, but I know it got a cam in it. You know what I'm saying? The cam, it sounds so sweet. And I just love when you put it in gear, like I said, you drive, and you come to a stop. Bro, it just sounds so good, man. I'm telling y'all, it sounds so good. Sound like it's finna cut off, bro. And I'm telling you, I ain't never heard one in person like that. And now I actually own one. You feel me? With a cam. Like I said, I don't know the stage. I don't know none of that. You feel me? All I know is it got an upgraded cam in it. You can hear it. You feel me? You could tell. And like I said, this was the first startup for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm finna drive the car for the rest of the day. And then come back and park it later on the night. Time went back, so it gets darker a little earlier now. But yeah, man, I'm finna just get out and enjoy this car. I need to go put some gas in it. So that's something I'm gonna have to go and do. Go put some gas in this car. But yeah, like I said, car cranks right up as soon as you turn the key. You pump the gas like once or twice, then you turn the key over, it crank right up. You feel me? Timing is good, the motor runs good, don't idle too high, the car sounds good, it don't get too hot anymore under the engine bay. Like I said, I think that was because of the thermostat. But yeah, man, everything is just working out perfectly fine, bro. I'm telling you, everything is working out fantastic. The car is running good, everything looks good, and now I just need to throw my sixes back on. You feel me? Until I can give me a custom set of wheels. Y'all know I want to give me a custom set of wheels for this car, but I'm not getting no custom wheels right now, and I still need to get all that stuff for the Cutlass. You feel me? Wheels are not a priority, but since I already got sixes, I'm gonna just keep the sixes on here until I give me a custom set of wheels. You feel me? I want to get some 8s, put some 8s on here, put some 4s on the Cutlass, have 22s on the Charger, and rock out like that. You feel me? That's what I want to have. But everything will happen in due time. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. How y'all feel about the cam being in this car? How y'all think it sound? You feel me? Man, I'm telling y'all, I think it sounds really, really good. It sounds fantastic, bro. And just having a cam in general, bro. Like I said, I ain't never heard one in person. And now I actually own a car, a cammed car. You feel me? So if y'all start seeing cammed in the title, bro, I'm sorry, man. You feel me? But yeah, I'm finna. That might help me get more views. You know what I'm saying? The cam might help me get more views. You feel me? Built motor might help me get more views. I'm trying to do whatever I can to grow this channel. You feel me? That way I can bring y'all more stuff. I can bring y'all more cammed cars. I can get different variety of cars. You feel me? Newer cars, older cars. You feel me? That's why I'm trying to grow this channel, so I can start doing that type of stuff for y'all. You feel me? And you feel me? Just like I said, bring y'all more content, bring y'all better content, bring y'all more variety of content. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. I'm finna let the hood down, like I said, because I'm finna get ready to go. And I'm not gonna do the driving footage today, but I will be doing the driving footage soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. And let me know, like I said, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about the cam. If y'all know what stage cam it is, I got a small block 350. If y'all know what stage cam it is, y'all let me know. You feel me? And I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinion in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. You feel me? How y'all feel about it. Me personally, bro, I love it. I'm telling you, I love the cam. And like I said, when I drive this car, bro, when I first drove it over here and everything, when I first picked it up, you can feel that this motor has some power in it. You feel me? I don't know no dyno numbers. I don't know the horsepower, none of that. You know what I'm saying? But you can just feel it. You can feel the difference in this motor and that other motor. You feel me? Well, I mean to say I can. I don't know why I keep saying you, but I can feel that difference. You know what I'm saying? I can feel the difference in this motor. I can feel that difference in that other motor. That other motor don't feel like it's pushing as much as this is. This motor just feels like it has more power. You feel me? When you press the pedal, it want to take off on you. So this motor just, you could just tell, bro, this motor, it was something done to it. You know what I'm saying? You can just tell. So 1 second, y'all. My bad about that, y'all. My mom had called. You feel me? You gotta answer the phone. Your mom called. You feel me? But yeah, man. Like I said, just driving this car with this new motor in here, I can feel the difference in power, and compared to the other 350 that I had. And like I said, having this motor in here, hearing it and driving it, that's the whole reason for me wanting to build that other motor now. I want to build that other motor. I want to put a stronger cam in that other motor for the Cutlass. The Cutlass, I want the Cutlass to chop more than this box Chevy. You feel me? Because the Cutlass is the one that's getting a lot more done to it. You know what I'm saying? From interior to exterior. You feel me? I put a new header panel on, painting the whole inside, getting the seats done, getting the door panels done. You know what I'm saying? So I want that car to just not only look better, but I could say be a little faster. You feel me? You feel me? Just, and like I said, just look better. You know what I'm saying? Because it already is gonna look better. Because that, like I said, it's gonna have a custom interior. My box Chevy interior is stock. You know what I'm saying? Besides the center console, the steering wheel, and the rear deck, and the head unit, other than that, it's stock. The Cutlass got painted dash, gonna have custom seats front and rear, custom door panels, custom lower door panels with 4 speakers. You know what I'm saying? DS18s, brand new blue carpet. Like I said, the whole Cutlass interior is being customized. New headliner. So yeah, that's the one I want to have more of a cam in it. I might later on down the line, I might take this motor back out, rebuild it, put a bigger cam in that as well. You know what I'm saying? You just never know. Like I said, all with due time, we'll figure out what to do. But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about the cam, how y'all think it sound. Like I said, I don't know what stage it is. I know it ain't the biggest cam, but I still got that chop, you feel me? And I like it. You know, it's obvious that this car's cam, because y'all remember the other small block. If y'all remember the driving footage, any of the sound clip videos or anything, it didn't have this type of tone to it. You know what I'm saying? So you could tell this motor, something was done to this motor. It was built, rebuilt, cam was thrown in, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? You could just tell. You could tell by just looking at it. You feel me? Not only just looking at it, but now that we can actually hear what it sounds like, we can tell. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I want y'all opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about it. But other than that, it's gonna be the end of this one. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together. I'm finna get ready to go put some gas in the car and then go home. Well, honestly, I don't know where I'm finna go. I know I'm finna go put some gas in here though, because I ain't got no gas in here, and I don't even know if the gas hand is working now. Now that you feel me, to notice that my park reverse neutral drive ain't showing and my speedometer ain't working. I don't even know if the gas ain't working, so I'm finna just go and put some gas in here. So yeah, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.